Welcome to Real World AIP. I'm Stacey and today I'm making my pumpkin Alfredo sauce. I wrote on the recipe, OMG good. Here it is if you'd like to take a screenshot. I'm gonna caramelize my onion, and something I don't use very often. This is rendered bacon fat. I got some, Paleo approved bacon, and I'm gonna put like a teaspoon in the pan. Half a tablespoon. And melt that pork fat. Once this melts, I'll throw it in while it's melting. Half of an onion. This was a whole onion when I chopped it, so half the jar will be half an onion. We're just gonna melt the bacon fat and caramelize that onion. Okay, so my recipe says 1/2 to 3/4 cup of coconut milk. I'm going to use my toasted coconut milk, and I'll use what looks to me to be between 1/2 and 3/4 of a cup of the little cubes. Regular coconut milk would be fine, and to that we're gonna add 2 cloves of garlic, which I have chopped up here. Also gonna put in some fresh grated turmeric. This I just had in the freezer in a little container. I'd say this was a teaspoon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 twists. Now, because I don't have fresh basil, I don't even really like dried basil. I'm just gonna skip the basil in this batch. It's fine. Instead, I'm gonna use some freeze-dried parsley because I'm out of the fresh. I'll put like a tablespoon. And then I'm just gonna really load up on the fresh chives that I just got from the garden. Do like 1, 2 tablespoons, 2 to 3 tablespoons of those. This is coconut cream, a little disc I had frozen. Pop it right in there and just go until that melts. You could substitute coconut butter or coconut manna, or if you use the coconut milk in the can, like Trader Joe's brand, you probably wouldn't even need to do that because their coconut milk is really creamy. I like my sauce to have a little texture, so I'm gonna leave this just like this and add the pumpkin. But if you like a smooth, creamy sauce, you can blend it. I'm gonna add a whole can of organic pumpkin. It's 15 ounces. Or, you could use 2 cups of pureed sweet potato. Look at that. Now for the most important part. We have to taste it. We gotta taste the sauce. Trader Joe's coconut milk to the rescue. But this time, I'm not using it just for all the creamy good stuff on the top. I want the liquid watery stuff because I'm gonna thin this out and sweeten it. So slide that cream over to the side. Pour out some of that. Woo! There we go. Stop beeping. Stop it. So I poured in just the liquid part. I made a hole in it, and I don't know if you can see that, and I see all the liquid sloshing around. I poured a bunch of that in here to thin it. Not only to thin it though, to sweeten it. And it also needs more salt. Marjoram. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness, why did I think of this? Marjoram. That is crazy how much just little things make such a difference. Like literally that was flat. I added about a 1/2 cup of just the coconut milk, not even mixed in with the cream, just the sweet watery part, and more salt and that marjoram, and it's delicious. We have a winner. And there you have it. Pumpkin Alfredo. Or sweet potato Alfredo, your choice. Use it on your zucchini noodles. Use it as gravy for a freaking burger. Eat it like a soup. Puree it and call it a soup. It's good. Anyway, let me know what you do with it and how you tweaked the recipe if you do. I hope you liked this video. If so, subscribe below. I put out new videos every Thursday. Hopefully I'll see you soon. And until then, be healthy.